Hi, hello. My name is Philip Cho. I'm from NVIDIA. And then I'm part of the organization called Rapids AI. So we write a suite of open source projects for data science and AI. We all use NVIDIA GPUs to make your data science workflow faster. Anywhere from 20 times to 100 times. So particularly, I'm a maintainer of a popular open source project called XGBoost for decision tree library. And I've been a faithful customer of JetBrains, in particular PyCharm. It helped me to do a major refactor in XGBoost code base. My favorite feature, most I would say autocomplete, but then also ability to jump around and look like dynamic lookup and jump around like definitions is very helpful for large code base. And also nowadays, especially because we since we started introducing type annotation, you can introspect what type a variable is. That's very helpful because before it's not very obvious for like what a function does or what kind of things that a function should accept, but it's now pretty straightforward. The Python, what's cool is that it can actually infer what type it is even before you specify what type it should be. It's very hard for someone to start annotating the data types on a legacy Python project. XGBoost has been around very long time, so it's been lacking type annotation, and then I led the effort to add types. PyCharm was very helpful for me to that task. And before I was just using VIM editor, just to um, to edit to program Python. But then once I gave it a try, it's like it was just another world experience for me. Like a lot easier to prevent error, especially for Python. You don't try compiling the code. You a lot of errors are just caught when you run it. But then ability to find errors before you run it is very helpful for productivity.